ABMS Research and Education Foundation is thrilled to offer up our grants program for independent research into achieving and maintaining certification. We plan to offer several grants and are looking for researchers who think different. We're interested in improving the way we ascertain and maintain the certification status of physicians. It can be across any of the 24 member boards. Each of these projects will result in publications, which will go out to the community, but also at the end of the project, they'll come back to the ABMS conference and present their findings. To date, we've given out $850,000 worth of grants, and we anticipate that this coming year for the 2026 to 2028 program, that we will give out another 4 $75,000 grants totaling $300,000. You can get a sense of the projects that have been carried out to date on our website. No matter where your curiosity takes you, if you've got a great idea, then apply. Send in a letter of intent, and we'd love to start the conversation.